Nishbach and it fell b'inyan she'en yichol lamadov, that you can't, that you don't know. The shower, that you don't know what is what.
What is what in Amak each one of them.
Im noide she'erubei heter, and if you know there's more heter, mutter.
Mutter. Even I don't know if you have 60.
Yeah.
And why? Because it's sofek
Derabonon. Because it's min b'mina.
V'im lo
noide she'erubei heter also.
But if I don't know,
if there was mostly a heter and you don't have 60,
then obviously you don't have 60.
Then it's also.
If I don't know Shayarubah, I don't know if I have bottle barov, so of course it's going to be also, because bottle barov is the right. But skip the remor.
But if you have taste, if you don't know how much was in there, and
first of all, you have to start okay?
Like meat and fat.
Okay, very good.
Even though you know that there's mostly heter, it's also. Why? Because there is a taste and you don't have 60.
And you don't have 16. 60 is the right or the rabbonon?
60 is the rabbonon.
The right.
Oh, the right.
Because it's minoi. So in this case it's going to be sofek de or right. Sofek de right is the
chumra.
Very good. Okay, so this is the first part what we need to learn in this Sa'if. And now I want to learn the sharp of it, but before I want to start a very interesting thing. Okay, now let's start the sharp.
Oh, what do you want to start?
Huh?
What was the thing you want to interesting? That sounds interesting.
Interesting.
The interesting part I want to learn.
Don't worry, you're going to know the interesting thing later. But I don't want to mix you in. So let's read Mitarmin B'Minoi Sa'if Vov. Sa'if Koton Vov in the Shach. Sa'if Koton Vov in the Shach. Sa'if Koton Vov in the Shach. Ari Albert, I want to hear your holy voice, please.
Hi.
Okay, page Vov in the Shach. If Mitarmin B'Minoi. Change my life.
Oh my god.
Change my life. No?
Right there.
No, right here. Stop. Atam.
Eifel,
Yeah.
אם נזור מינו, טעם, so מינו is a fine time. We start with time. So the reason is because when time, that was when time, right?
Yeah.
The whole place came home to him, and all the posting that hold like him. Yesh Loimer, Tamki Iker, the Midiraisa, who holds that Tamki Iker is Midiraisa. B'min she'enu mina. With the mean species, when you combine the species then with a different species. Since the non-kosher food gave taste to the kosher food, all the kosher they completely changed to become aser.
Okay, you can understand what you read in the
It sounds like he's saying it's Hanan.
No, Hanan?
Yeah.
Not
Look what he said. He says.
Read from the beginning. Read from the beginning. The first rule is if you don't understand me, read it again. Read from the beginning. Im mitaref min b'minoi from the beginning. What is mean im mitaref min b'minoi? What is going to be the halacha? In Shulchan, what is Shulchan says mitaref min b'minoi? And I don't know to recognize if the issue with salat is the heter is 60 times more for the heter for the issue. So what is going to be the halacha if it's min b'minoi? Yeah. What is going to be the halacha?
If you don't know?
I don't know if the heter have 60 in the issue.
Then it's going to be us.
No. Read the Shulchan.
Come
Come on, guys, you want to learn today or you want to sleep in? What's going on?
B'min she'enu mina is going to be a not.
Alright.
Read the Shulchan. Min b'minu. Clear, be clear. What is the case? Explain to me the case.
Milk falls into the non-kosher milk falls in the kosher milk. you don't know if there's if you don't know how much fell in.
Okay,
You don't know if there's a majority or not.
okay. But what you know?
So you don't know if there's batal b'shishim. You know that there's rov.
Very good. So what is going to be the halacha?
It's going to be mutter.
Very good. But in many shayim, skip the remo.
מי ושאינו מינו?
אבל אם נתערב,
אבל אם נזהר משאינו מינה, נפח משפח מעניין, שאין יכול לעמוד עליו. אפשר אפילו נדע שהערובה heter usher. Even if you know that the majority of
of the heter it's be more from this, but you don't have 60, but you don't have 60, it's
by
going to be
species
also.
with the two different types of species, yeah.
So why is going to be also? Why is going to be also?
Tam kif madaraisa.
Very good. Now with the remo again. Now with the shach again.
Time plus over the time, 4 plus
Slowly. A tam. What is the difference? First of all, start to understand what is the difference between min b'mino and min she'eino mino.
Fine.
Okay. So all what I tell you guys, the difference that min b'she'eino mino give taste, min b'mino don't give taste. This is all from the shach, and the all shach is from the rabbanutam. So we learn it outside, but let's read it inside to know in the bones where is it. Okay, in the test, is someone going to ask you some questions?
So you're saying, the Shulchan
you can open your book and you see. So let's read it and understand what they tell you al page inside.
Shulchan Aruch passes like Rabbeinu Tam.
Yeah. And what is the time Rabbeinu Tam says? וכל הפועסקים היו משותפים.
שטעם כעיקר איסור בדרייסה. מי בשאינו
במין בשאינו מינוי. So this is out the beginning. But כיוון and why? כיוון שנותן טעם. טעם באתר. The is give completely taste in the ether. Okay?
Gives the taste and it completely gets its taste and absorbed in it. It becomes also just like the other food. The Esser cool in the deraisa, and then the food, that multi food became also in the deraisa. However, if mean b'mino, two of the same species. Kevan she'eino nezin ta'av.
And by the time it don't give taste.
It doesn't give any different taste. Bato. מהתורה
ברוב.
מהתורה ברוב.
No with 16 רוב, because don't give taste. כדכתיב.
The would be batal ברוב. It doesn't have to be 60. So even if you have 51, you know, 51.
Yeah. כדכתיב.
אחרי רעב ומהתש. It says after the majority you should pass them.
We're going after the majority, right?
Yeah. אלא שחכמים הצריכו 60. Rather the chachamim.
With the rabbanon also in min b'mino you need 60, right?
Yeah.
ואיקח. Now he's coming to explain the Sa'if, what the Shulchan Aruch says.
Since he knows that the majority is heter, the law nistabik.
And the old Sophic is BLA yesh bo is shishim oilav.
Yeah, oilav. And the only suffix you have is if you have 60 or not.
אבל it's fake.
ולכולה.
Why is fake the rabbanon? Because it's min be.
מינוי.
Very good. מה שאין כן.
מה שאין כן, so
מי בשאינו מין.
No, שלא לא ידע.
מה?
מה שאין כן, שלא לא ידע.
שלא ידע שהיו.
Also in this case, min b'minoi, but I don't know, I don't sure if the ether is more for the Isur or the Isur more for the ether. Yeah, why is Sophic the right in this case? Because you don't know, that's a little different. Because you don't know how much it be more. You don't sure the ether is more for the Isur, chance you don't know if it's 60. You don't know completely if the ether is more for the Isur. So in this case, it's Sophic the right also in min b'minoi.
The Isra of the Asr. And then it would,
So this is all about min b'minoi. Now we start min b'sheinu b'minoi.
אבל מי משאינו מינו...
כיוון.
Wait a second, so what is it here? I'm actually thinking שלא נדע שההב הוא בהת.
This is a min b'minoi. Ari, listen to me. In a min b'minoi.
אבל מין במינוי. However, came in the Torah ad Shishim, since it's only Bat Shishim, there's only, there's no Bat Torah, it's only Bat Shishim in the Torah.
כיוון שלא את הטעם, and why you read it 60, because you read it טעם.
We had to use since it gave taste even if you don't.
But you don't know, ולא יודע אם היה שואל 60. I know it's B רובייתר, but I don't know if it's B60.
Lay Safik, 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 Lay Safik, but the rest of the answer.
אבל לסקי דורייסה דורסו. אבל לסקי דורייסה דורסו. Okay. Ari, you understand every single word?
Yeah.
It's everything what I said on page inside. Very simple. All I tell you.
See it.
I tell to everybody. Sam, you understand it? Careful with me. If he says yes, I can test you. Everything. Huh?
I think it's just everything.
I don't know. Before Shabbos, I want you a little today to come.
Come.
I'm going to finish you in Sunday.
Let's go with the sheets.
After the tune, after you read the tune, okay? שמעון, אתה הבנת את כל מילה שקראנו?
כן.
Okay, very simple. All what we said is learn it. I feel that if you learn good, you read the shach. If you hear what I said before, you learn the shach. Every word is in the place. Every word. It's so easy.
I think you're the shach.
Huh?
I think you're the shach.
No, I'm not. I'm just learning the shach next week. Okay, now we're going to start the interesting thing with the Rabbi Yosef Montuir. Brief.
Long class.
Yeah, got the coffee.
What's that, more than a bit?
15 minutes.
Another 15 minutes?
Another 10 minutes, I'm sorry. Another 10 minutes. Another 10. I want all of you go back to the remote. We skip the remote.
I don't fully understand
Huh?
I don't fully understand what we
למה גמרת?
I don't hear you.
I don't fully understand what we did because I think too fast.
תגיד לי אחרי זה.
It's okay?
Can I explain?
No.
Yeah.
Shlomi, it's okay. Don't forget we are in 2 levels, right? So today I give 2 both to be together. But in Sunday, it's going to be back separate and I'm going to sit with you. And what I'm running, I'm going to a little go with
So
slow.
Friday here, I come here or do I not have?
What do you want? If you want to leave right now, if you want you can stay, what do you feel right?
I'll like
Go! Shimon Rubinfeld. Read the Shimon Rubinfeld. Shimon Goldstein, I'm sorry.
אל תקרא לי ככה.
Sam Goldstein.
ולעניין מין במינוי, הגול. You see the הגול? You skip the הגול. הגול is Shimon Rubinfeld.
שאני אעשה את זה?
No.
הגול. לידיה ביל ובינוי, אז לידיה באתר שבע, איבו.
שמו. שם, name.
באתר שמו. באתר שמו. ריבו יושוב ובין בבינוי, אבל לא יזלין באתר טייבו, אם הוא שובר או לא.
What's that mean?
ולינן במינו יזין בתר שמו. What it means שמו? Name. שמו is not shema, maybe. It means name.
Shmuel like in Shmuel?
שם, name. אם הוא שובר, אבל מין במינוי. If the name of the type is mean the name, same name,
It's me במינוי.
אבל לא יזן בתר טיימת. To say, to know what is mean במינוי, we're not going to say after the time. We're going to check the name. אם הוא שובר או לא, וכן כתובו, וכן הוא באוגור, אוקיי, that's it. רבו ישי, אם להעביר huge חידוש. I would say מגדיר. To make הגדור.
Offense.
Different? No difference.
Offense.
הגדרה.
גדר. Offense.
To מגדיר.
Offense.
To know what it mean במינוי, what it mean בשאינו במינוי. So first of all, I want to tell you, we're going to learn a bit of it. I'm going to learn with what is there a lot of questions of what is the we said במינוי is the בדורייס בוטל ברוב, ובשאינו במינוי בדורייס בוטל בשישים. What you call mean במינוי, what you not call mean בשאינו במינוי. So it can be a lot of options. One of the options is what the Remo speak. Is there other option also the Remo not speak about them? It's taste a name. Let's say coven. Liver with 3 kilometers.
Liverpool.
How you calculate it? Chaylev in meat for sure is 2 different states. So it's going to be so much cases to check which one. So we have so much cases to check which one of them is min b'mino, which one is not min she'inu min. Okay?
Camel milk and cow milk.
Puppy is min b'mino.
Is being milk.
Because
It's the same name.
yeah, because it's the same name. Okay.
But it might have a different taste. Even though it has a different taste.
I don't know if it's a different taste.
It might have.
I don't
One
know.
second.
We need to check. We need to check.
Rabbi.
I said that this is
Goat milk is kosher, but it has a different taste.
gold meat.
Goat
Yeah.
milk has a different taste than cow milk.
So we have to check this point. We're going to learn it in the business of different cases. But now let's talk about.
That's where the guy needs to.
Let's talk about the case of the Remo. The Remo says how you create, how you know which one is min b'mino, which one is not min b'mino.
By the name.
Let's say by name. You say some people by some simple by name, okay? So let's say I have two different things, like milk of cow and milk of deer, okay? And one of them is not kosher. I don't know what happened. Let's say milk of cow, milk of deer, milk of deer. The name of both of them is milk, okay? But the taste is different. Right or no right?
Yes.
So what the Remo says, like what you said, I don't care from the taste. I just care from the name.
The way you pass
How we magdi? How we magdi? I have to know the word. Magdara. How
The
was
Shulchan Aruch holds the reason why the Shulchan Aruch holds where he does because the whole thing about min b'mino is that they have the same taste.
definition?
No.
Yeah, definition.
No, so-
Right, but we don't
So
know.
according to Shulchan Aruch,
So what is the
we
definition?
hold by the taste. Min
What?
b'mino is judged by the taste, not by the name. The Rama is the opposite. He holds
No,
by the
no,
name.
no. Also the Remo, also Shulchan Aruch said. What? Shulchan Aruch says min b'mino is not give taste from one to the other, right?
Yeah.
Taste.
Min b'mino.
Not give taste.
Min b'mino.
Guy.
No. So but we assume they have the same taste, which is why there's no issue. Which is why it's a lamar mako. But
Same.
if you have two different tastes,
So he's
then
right.
that's totally.
So you asked the question of the Shach, only Aryeh. You asked the only question of the Shach. Also you.
Why did Maran not Maran doesn't say, it says Mamish taste. So if it's the same name and a different taste, so then it must go by the taste, not the name.
Exactly, this is also what part of the question is going to be still. 1 second, I just want to finish with them. So everybody listen. Is that okay? A lot of min b'mino, the name of it is the same name, but the taste is different. Rabbi Isai, Shimon, הבנת את השאלה? What we talked about earlier, what the Remo said? Some meat. You have two different type of meat. Meat from cow, meat from the deer. Okay? You call both of them, how you call them? Meat. You call them both of them meat. Meat and meat. You call them meat. Now one of them is nevele, one of them is not nevele. Okay? One of them is kosher, one of them is not kosher. What is going to be the halacha?
According to their mind.
Min b'mino.
How you call it? You call it min b'mino or min b'shein
Min
b'mino?
b'mino.
Why min b'mino? Because the name of it is same name. But, says the Remo, even...
Shimon.
That's the Rama holds it's min.
אתה רוצה שאני
it's
אצא
their
קצת
name.
אי אפשר.
Only according to
אי
their
אפשר
Rama.
ככה, כי אם זה מצלמה תמשיך.
So you cook you have that you get that gets mixed up with cow meat. They both get called meat, even though they're really not have different tastes.
Exactly.
This is exactly the point.
Oh,
Okay, so what the Remo says, I don't care for the taste. I don't care for the taste. What I care is the name. So if it's up the taste of the taste is different. Deer taste, deer meat. By the way, it's true. Deer meat is more sweet.
dear brother.
Deer meat is more sweet from a cow. By the way, so deer meat
It's kosher.
and deer cow. One of them is nevela. I mix them together. The name of it is the same name. What is the name? Meat. What is the taste? Different. Says the Remo, I don't care for the taste. We can say that min b'mino because the name is same. So don't say, Rabbi, we're going to learn the Remo bring a gmor. It's not a gmor, he says like the Remo. Okay? But, it's a big question. שמעון, אתה הבנת את זה שהולכים אחרי השם ולא אחרי הטעם?
כן, זה לפי הרמו.
לפי הרמו. You understand that? We're going to
Yeah.
after the name,
Wait.
even the taste is different.
It's
But, Rabbi Isai, you understand it? Or
Yeah.
no? Okay. Ask the Shach the amazing question. What's going on here? if all the concept, if all the Sa'if, we separate min b'minoi and min she'eino minoi. What is the difference? Min b'minoi is derabonon. Why min b'minoi is derabonon?
It's taste.
Because it don't have taste. Min she'eino minoi is have taste, right? So what I care right now, if these two types is of same name, it is give one to the other taste, so I feel it right now the taste. So how is possible to say that I'm going after the name and not after the
Taste.
taste? Okay?
That's the question
And
of
also
the
it's the
Shah.
kule, this is the kule, this is the kule. Against the more, it's going to be the kule, a lot more the kule. We're going to be mati at the even for the svore, it's hard to understand it. Okay, you understand the question?
But is it the same? When it says the name, it can have, let's say you have different things, right? They could be the same thing. Let's say banana, right? But it has a different name. Like
Okay.
an orange and a.
So what the Ramos says?
and would that be even though an orange and
What the Ramos said, we can see, always
That's
we
the
check
same
min b'mino with name. This was the
so
Ramos
it
said.
doesn't have the same name. You have two fruits that are
So it's two different.
different.
So what the Ramos
Wait,
said?
fruits and an
What's
orange.
the nafkamina in halacha?
Between what?
Between the min that it's the same name but different thing.
Very, very simple. What we learn, you remember what we learn, if min b'mino be mixing. Min b'mino be mixing and min she'eino b'mino be mixing. And I don't know if I have 60. I know it's a rov, I don't know if I have 60. So what is going to be different to halacha in these cases? Min b'mino is going to be sofek derabonon.
Rabbanan.
Yeah?
They don't taste.
Exactly, but in min she'eino b'mino is sofek derabonon because of taste. Exactly, but if you have different name, same name but with other taste,
Right?
So-
So it's going to be a deraisa.
so
It's going to be meko going to the law.
we be going to be making. This is exactly the question. How is possible to say it make it? How you can say we're going to make it? If the whole concept to the difference between min b'minoi and min she'eino minoi is because the taste, why min she'eino minoi eko ketam d'oraisa? Why? Because min she'eino minoi give them taste one to the other, right? The eino minoi give this to the ether, so you feel taste right now. You feel taste of isul, so you need 60 to battle the taste. So what I care for the names right now? I feeling taste of isul. So what? Okay, because it's name, same both of them name. We need to go with the spore. This is what the Shach asked, and because this question the Shach roilek of the Remoy, he says no. Lechumre, when we're going to go, we want to check, like in Sa'if, to make it muter, the kule always be going after the tam. We're not going we're not going after the name. Okay? There's a big, huge machloket between the Shach and the Remo, and the Remo we're going to learn inside in the Shach I guess in Sunday. We're going to learn that the Remo have a proof to its shites. It's have a Gemara. The Gemara says, Robe says, Roma Robe, how we consider that min b'mino min she'eino minoi after the names. Okay?
So that's still on the shop. So
I mean, how the Remo, the Shach need to explain his shito. The Shach says we're going after the taste. In this case, we're going after the taste. How you say? The Gemara says we're going after the names, bishmo, b'name. So the Shach start to explain. I don't want to hurry up with it. The Shach start to explain. No, when we're going after the name, when it's the chumre. Okay, let's say min b'mino enu bot Elohim. Min b'mino enu bot Elohim. Even so he said what Rove says we're going after the name is when the taste is different. So even in this case we're going after the name, it's going to be also loyal. Okay? But to make chule, this is of course we're going after it means go take the hummus from the world of the side. Also the taste, also from the name. Okay.
That's it.
So we're going to learn it.
Thank you very much.